Hi everyone, welcome to How to Clean Collard Greens. I hope you guys enjoying this video. Here's what you'll need. First, you're going to need your collard greens. Y'all, I've never cooked this many collard greens in my life, but went to the farmer's market and here we are. You're also going to need some white distilled vinegar and some salt. I use iodized salt. I think that's how you say it. Okay, so here you see me kind of looking through the greens before I actually get into the cleaning process. Right now, I'm just kind of eyeballing them to see if they have anything weird, like bugs or anything like that. Big clumps of dirt, any greens that just look like completely crazy that I know I'm not going to use. So you just kind of go through them and see what's going on. So after you've gone through them and you figured out the ones that you're going to use, most likely, you're going to take the leaves, and I kind of just pick up one leaf at a time and I kind of tear them, not necessarily into any size or shape. I just kind of break them in half and then maybe break those in half. I'm kind of tearing off any like raggedy little pieces, any holes, any pieces that have like little dirt spots on them. For example, like this one, I'm going to tear those little raggedy looking edges off so that I can use the rest of the leaf. And then also during this process, I tear off any of the big stems that I know I'm not going to use. You don't have to tear off the stems. You definitely can cook them. But if I know I'm not going to, I'm not going to. Now, on the other hand, this leaf is not worth saving, in my opinion. Maybe you guys feel different, but in my opinion, it's not worth saving. It's got way too many brown spots, way too many holes. It just, nope, not this one. Nope. X, canceled, throw it away. We're not using it. Okay, so the first step that I actually use when I get into the cleaning process is I rinse all of the greens off with water. I just kind of, grab them up, and I also have them in a clean sink. I clean the sink before I put the greens in there, and I'm just kind of rinsing them off. This gets, dirt spots off, any loose debris, just rinsing them. After I've rinsed them, the next step of washing is using the salt. So I just kind of toss the greens with salt, and I just kind of make sure that it gets all covered. Now, I'm sure a lot of people have different ways of washing their greens. This is what I've been doing since I've been cooking greens for maybe this is my second year cooking greens, maybe. Second or third year, something like that. Maybe second. And this is just what I do. Get them with the salt, and then once I've tossed them in the salt, I rinse that off. See, it's not that many steps, but it can take a little time. Hey, but we gotta eat, so we gotta clean them. And the final step is to do the vinegar wash. So you see me pouring the vinegar here on the greens, and after I pour the vinegar on the greens, the next step is to toss them in the vinegar, making sure all the greens get coated nice and evenly, or as evenly as possible. And also, to make sure that all the greens get coated, you can add more vinegar once you've tossed them a few times. This just makes sure they all get nice and coated. And you can see sometimes as I'm tossing them, I'm still kind of breaking them up a little bit. You don't have to do that, but it's handy if you do. And after I toss them in the vinegar, once again, another water rinse. And I also forgot to mention, guys, that this water is not hot, it's not cold. It's about lukewarm. It's not hot, it's not cold. It's lukewarm, and that does a pretty good job. And literally, y'all, that's how you clean greens. Water, rinse, salt, and vinegar. And that's how I clean my collard greens, and it's literally that simple. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you want more cooking videos or how-to videos or just food-related videos in general. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when we post another video. See you guys. Love you. Bye.